I recently came across an old heavy-duty trailer abandoned at a scrapyard, and I managed to get it for a steal. If you've been following along with part 1 of my transforming and upgrading a heavy-duty trailer project, you'll know that I started by removing the old flooring, sandblasting the frame to remove rust, reinforcing it with additional steel for added durability, and giving the frame a fresh coat of paint. Now it's time to move on to the next crucial phase, installing and restoring the brake system. This step is absolutely critical because a properly functioning brake system ensures the trailer's safety during operation. I installed slack adjusters, brake chambers, and air tanks to make sure the braking system operates smoothly and reliably. After completing the brake system, I thoroughly cleaned the entire trailer frame and applied the final coat of paint. The fresh paint not only gives the trailer a polished look, but also provides protection against weather and wear. With the paint job done, I mounted the wheels, getting it ready for the next steps. A standout feature of this project is the use of 100-year-old mango wood for the trailer's flooring. This type of wood is not only incredibly durable, but also adds a unique vintage touch, giving the trailer a one-of-a-kind character. This trailer comes with a detachable hydraulic neck, which required meticulous restoration. I disassembled, cleaned, and upgraded several key components to ensure it functions smoothly and efficiently. And with that, the restoration and upgrade of this old heavy-duty trailer are complete. Despite the challenges along the way, seeing the finished result makes every effort worth it. I hope you're as excited about this transformation as I am. If you have any feedback or ideas, I'd love to hear them. Your input is a huge motivation for me to keep pursuing my passion and take on more projects like this in the future. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next project.